Hey guys, this is Quentin. We're in my neighbor's garage looking today at the Liftmaster 1.5 horsepower, I think. It's a chain drive, light still works. As you can see, there's a new button right there. Now let's close it, and I want to see what it sounds like. Here we go. Very quiet. Sounded like a belt drive opener. Now open it back up. Ooh, it's very quiet. As you can see, it's a one light cover opener. It sounds like a belt drive opener, but it's a chain. Really nice garage door opener. Thank you, Angela, for letting me videotape your garage door opener. Nice looking, weird looking garage door. I just like to spin the rope. Officially. Woo! I video recorded it, okay? Thanks for watching that YouTube video, and I'll publish this video on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, and take care, everyone. Bye.
You're welcome. Much better, huh?
Yeah.
A lot quieter.
Yeah, they used to have their Sears Craftsman 1.5 horsepower without a light cover, but it's broken. Is something wrong with your garage door?
Not anymore, but it was broken.
Yeah. She got a Liftmaster. Okay. Okay, now do you want to close the garage door when you're ready?
Okay. Bye, Quinn. Thank you.
That's the garage door.
And happy St. Patrick's Day. Yeah.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you hear the garage door? Woohoo! Okay, I'm sorry that I haven't made a garage door opener video in a long time, so I'll publish this video on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel when they had their Sears Craftsman 1.5 horsepower chain drive, but it was broken. But it was louder than the newer one. The door used to be squeaky, okay? Okay, don't forget to subscribe and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.